Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how to remove this headlight assembly to be able to put a new one on, because this glass is all broken up, or the plastic's all broken up. So we've had a video about how to remove the bumper. You may not have to remove the bumper completely, but it's fairly simple to just go ahead and do the whole thing, and then you're not, weighing half your bumper halfway down on the ground and causing stress points on it and having the paint chip on you. So we've just gone ahead and removed the whole bumper, and now we're going to undo the bolts you need to be able to pull this whole light assembly out and put a new one in. You're going to need our number 10 bolt to undo this, our number 10 socket, and also there's a bolt right here to be undone. We undo those two. And then we got a number 12 up here we got to undo. And it's got some clips that are holding it down there. I'll get a photo for you. But you just got to kind of pull it out. You're going to want to undo the electrics that come into this. That's it. It's just one electrical plug right there. So we've gone ahead and undone that one electrical plug. It's right here. Just a push clip, push the top, and pull undone. And so then we're going to get it prepped and ready to put the new one back in. You're going to take your new headlight assembly. So we've got our new headlight assembly, and we're going to go ahead and line these tabs right here and here up with these tabs here, and then just push it in, as well as you're going to line this little marker here up with this bolt there. So you go ahead, you push it all in there, make sure your bolts line up. There's two number 10s right here and a number 12 that will go right here. So alright, those are all snugged up. Now another thing, you can go ahead and test it all out. So we'll just go ahead and do that for fun. And then you can remove your protective cover. And that's a replacement of your new headlight assembly. Key option 2, once you've gone ahead and installed this completely, you're going to want to hook the electrics back here, which is just one cable connector. And it hooks everything up. And you just got to push it forward. You'll hear a little click once it hits the tab. There you go. So we've got our blinker clearance. We've got our clearance on the side here. We've got our low beam. Check the high beam. Checks out. So we've got a good replacement here. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.